The HEMI platform is one of the hottest new engine platforms to modify and squeeze extra power out of. Today, our Dodge Magnum RT is in need of a muscle car sound to match the HEMI name. On this segment, we're reviewing Flowmaster's all-new stainless steel exhaust system for the Dodge Magnum 5.7 litre RT. Our 2007 Dodge Magnum RT 5.7 HEMI has a tune and a supercharger, but has a stock exhaust system, so it could use a little more room to breathe. Today we're going to be installing the Flowmaster 817-405 stainless steel exhaust kit, which includes full 409S stainless steel 2.5-inch diameter exhaust pipes and mufflers, which will give us a good muscle car sound and less restrictive airflow than the stock mufflers. The Super 44 series mufflers feature a dual-out rear exit design combined with a polished 4-inch exhaust tip. In this kit, you'll also see us install this scavenger X-pipe and resonators. First, we're going to show you before and after sound clips, as well as driving and acceleration runs. Following that, we'll overview some installation for this Flowmaster exhaust. Before I bore you too much, we're going to show you the end results, the sound and performance of the Flowmaster exhaust. Now that we've gone through the sound testing, let's move on to the installation. Flowmaster makes it extremely easy and simple. Once the stock exhaust was removed, we began to assemble the exhaust onto the vehicle using the OEM hangers for an easy fit and finish. The first step is bolting up the scavenger X-pipe to the OEM mid-pipes. Make sure not to completely tighten down anything yet, so you can easily straighten out and align the exhaust system on the vehicle. Next, install the Super 44 mufflers onto the X-pipe and conclude the installation with mounting the tailpipes, which include the Force 2 resonators. The final step is to fit the Flowmaster 4-inch polished exhaust tips. Tighten everything up and you're ready to go. The Flowmaster HEMI exhaust was a true bolt-on. We installed the Flowmaster stainless steel Super 44 mufflers, which provide a moderate deep tone, along with a complete scavenger X-pipe and specially tuned resonators to reduce drone. The best part is, not only did it increase performance, but it's got that great Flowmaster sound. That wraps up our installation here at Power TV, and remember, you can do this at home.